This is the best strawberry cheesecake which I have ever made. For making this, we will take some digestive biscuits and crush them. Now we will add some melted butter. You can add unsalted butter to make it more healthy. We will set this into a pie tart, making our first layer. Now let's make the second layer. So we will take some jam, add some hot water and agar-agar. After boiling for 10 minutes, let it cool. Now adding the second layer on top of the crust. We will let this set for an hour. For the third layer, we will take some cream cheese, sugar powder and whisk them together. Now add vanilla essence, whipped cream and fold them together. This will be our third layer. And now we will evenly spread this. Instead of cream cheese, you can also add mascarpone cheese. Now we will let it set for 2 to 3 hours and then we will decorate it with fresh strawberries and flowers. You can be creative and create your own design. And voila, your cheesecake is ready. Isn't it looking gorgeous? Give this recipe a try and you will love it. I couldn't stop eating. Hope you like this recipe. Do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.